feel like having stir-fried jicama strips simple, meat-free, and refreshingly delicious.
Stir-fried jicama works great as a filling for dumplings. It's delicious boiled or served as chili all wonton tongyu chosho. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients: jicama, shiitake mushrooms, carrot. Peel and cut carrot into small cubes. The sweet crispness of carrots complements jicama's mild sweetness, creating layers of refreshing crunch and natural flavor. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, supporting vision and immune function. They contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and slow cellular aging. High in dietary fiber, carrots aid digestion and promote gut health. Peel and shred jicama. Raw jicama is crisp and juicy, with a mild sweetness and nutty aroma, perfect for eating as a fresh snack. When stir-fried, it becomes tender and sweeter, absorbing seasonings for a mellow, savory flavor. Raw highlights its natural crunch, while cooking unlocks a deeper sweetness and wok-fired aroma. Both styles offer unique appeal, refreshingly light raw, or warmly savory when cooked. Jicama is rich in dietary fiber and water, low in calories, aiding digestion and promoting satiety. It contains vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, helping maintain electrolyte balance and providing antioxidants. The oligofructose in jicama acts as a prebiotic, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Chopped shiitake mushroom and set aside. The rich umami of shiitake mushrooms blends perfectly with jicama's mild sweetness, adding deep savory layers. The tender, silky texture of mushrooms contrasts beautifully with jicama's crispness, creating a delightful bite. As they cook together, the savory juices from the mushrooms infuse the jicama, making the dish more aromatic and flavorful. Everything's ready to go. Time to stir-fry the ingredients until they're aromatic and golden. Adjust the seasoning with oyster sauce, salt, and pepper to your taste. Personally, I think extra black pepper adds a stronger, more delicious flavor. If the stir-fry seems dry, drizzle in a little water to create a light sauce. It enhances the flavor and texture. This jicama stir-fry is so satisfying with rice, congee, or even steamed buns. No appetite, no problem. Wrap it in dumpling wrappers for a light meal. My go-to recipe today. For a crisp texture, stir-fry over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until jicama turns slightly translucent. For a softer, melt-in-your-mouth feel, cook over medium-low heat for 5 to 6 minutes, or cover briefly to steam and soften. Adjust timing based on slice thickness. Thin strips cook faster, while thicker ones need more time. Taste as you cook to nail your perfect texture. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. Jicama toxic when raw? No, its fruit is. The thick, juicy tuber we eat is its root, which is safe and delicious both raw and cooked. However, what requires real caution are the pod-like fruits that grow on its vines. These contain toxic compounds, such as rotenone, which was historically used to make natural insecticides. Ingestion by humans or animals can lead to poisoning. So remember, eat the root, not the fruit. Jicama has a bewildering number of names, and each one is easily misleading. In Chinese, it's called Shubji, Liangshu, Dwgu in some southern regions, or Mangang in Singapore, Malaysia, from Teochew. In English, it's called jicama from Mexican Spanish or Mexican turnip. However, it is neither a yam Dioscorea family nor a turnip radish cruciferae family. It is unequivocally a legume fabaceae family. Its name truly tricks the world. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sour. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.